today we are going to discuss what happened in our index. Okay, so you could see it was a gap up, so clearly SL hunting day. Same reflects in the bank nifty as well. When you check for all, so it was definitely bullish because the Nifty had a gap up as well as the bank nifty is showing the same gap up. So you could see it's a very good gap up. Now we will check from the perspective of which stocks has been supporting this gap up positions. We have Midcap here. So trend PNB for Midcap. For Nifty, we have HDFC and Infi. So HDFC is doing its profit booking. And for bank nifty also we have HDFC and Axis Bank. So I think that's it. We'll move on to the news in the Sensible website. So you could see the results for 19th. So none of these is going to support our Nifty, so let's just leave it. So I'm just telling you for the sake of information. For 19th we have Japan news. Early, maybe some effects in our market, but not that much. So here we are going to check for FII. Hopefully the date. Okay, so this is yesterday's data, and till now data for 18th is not released. By yesterday's data we can say that it was favorable to sellers because the resistance was more. So I might update in the charts for 18th data. So this is OI. Basically equal buildup is seen, and Reliance is doing its profit booking, so Nifty is going up. For bank nifty, put side is looking favorable. Let's check for Midcap Nifty, which was as usual sideways positions were maintained, and then today you could see it was a V-shaped recovery for Midcap Nifty. Now we'll go into the straddle positions. We'll do a small price action comparison here. So first is Nifty. So we'll do a comparison with the Nifty open price. So overall you could see the strikes performance, and it was kind of a seller's day. So let's start with Nifty. So this is Nifty 1 hour chart. When you check for open, it is 400 with the green line. So you could see a steady fall. For next expiry also you could see initially the decay was very smooth for Nifty. Now we'll check for bank nifty. Bank nifty also 800 is open, right? So we'll take yellow. So initially you could see here it was going up. So till 10:40 it was buyer's day. Then after that it went to seller's day mode. Okay. Last is Midcap Nifty. So initially it went, so for Midcap I think open is 200. So let me take 200. So 200 initially from 20 points decay is seen, and then it just went sideways. Okay, despite having a V-shaped recovery, when you check in 15 minutes you will see how beautiful the V-shaped recovery happened. Second half it was very trending, but it didn't reflect here in the straddle. That's because, as I told you, second half of the month the decay completely behaves in a different way. Okay, now we will check the ATM. So this is Nifty ATM. 175 is a very good price, up to 160. So 15 points decay per day is a very good decay. From 750 to 710, 40 points decay is very good for bank nifty. This is like overall decay at any given strike which is standing at the ATM. So that's it, guys. So maybe I'll cover the price action and then we will end this video. So this is price action chart, and then you could see everything has a green close. IV is almost 9, so definitely it's going to be the seller's day. Okay, so now we are at Nifty. So the week 4 has started and day 2. Okay, let me just write day 2. And then you could see it was a gap up and then it just went sideways. And a little bit of SL is also observed here. We'll move on to bank nifty. Bank nifty, since September week 2, you could see it is slowly going up. Okay, so let me just draw down for week 17 and 18. Okay, this is 17 and this is 18, and then the price action is pretty smooth going up. So this is our week open, and then you could see till now it should be in negative, so I have no idea. We'll do straddle separately so that we'll get some idea. Now we have Midcap Nifty, which is again in the parallel channel going up. So that's it guys, thank you, keep supporting my channel.